Hi everyone. Today is 11th of December, Monday, first day of the week. 9:04 a.m. ET. So we have a resistance, clear resistance at 245 to 246. Okay. And also quite a good resistance at 240. So it's like bouncing like a ping pong ball last 2 to 3 days between 245 and 240 or 239. So the question is, will it be able to cross this resistance and touch and retest 250 again or 252? In my opinion, it should. Even if the market falls, it should at least one more time retest 252, maybe even more, like 257 or 256 or 8, or maybe 260. It should, because there is a confusion going on right now. There will be a rate cut next year. A few people are saying there is a possibility, and other group is saying maybe not. And I think in this week there is a meeting of federal meeting, Fed meeting. Mr. Jeremy Powell will conduct this meeting, I guess. I think it's on Wednesday, 13th of December. This is the last meeting of this year, I guess. And I think even if the market goes down on Wednesday, until Wednesday afternoon, markets should gradually move up, 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 up. And if the meeting decision is not in favor of for the investors, after that market will fall. That's what my opinion is. So I'm not a financial advisor, but it's just my opinion because I've seen it before. Before the meeting, it goes gradually up and up and up. Then all of a sudden market falls if the meeting decision is not in favor of the investor or for the investors. So let's see. But I think today it should go up to at least 245. There is a chance it will cross this. So 9:55 a.m. Monday, 11th of December. Not really bad right now, I guess. Try to go down, but there are some obstruction to go down as well. I see. If I share the screen, there is a support at 240 level. There is a little chance it might go below 240, and if it actually lose the support, in that case, we are in little danger. At this point, I see a clear possibility of breaking the support and go below 240, even go below 239 or 238. I clearly see a sign that it might lose the support right now. So quite an alarming situation right now, because I see at this moment the market is going down. If all of a sudden few big or huge investor do not buy, market will probably go down, and it will probably go below 239, and After that, I don't know what the next stop is, maybe 231 or 233 today. So market is probably going down today. This is quite annoying situation in my opinion, because it started to go down. It went down in first half an hour, and it tried to touch 241, 239. It actually touched 239.54. After that, a huge, like, engulfing green candle. So that's a good point. But now it's going up. Now it's going up. As I mentioned earlier, that there is a clear support at 240 and 239 levels. So I guess it it's a clear bounce right now. But the problem is we do not see any huge movement, right? For example, when it, like, the volume of this candle is 261K. So what I consider a huge movement, if the volume is like more than 500 or 600K. So it's 11:50 a.m. right now. So we clearly came down below 240 and also 239. So we came down to 237.86 actually. But my question is, will it fall below 237 today for real? I see two possibilities here right now. I see it will go up again around 239.75 level and then come down, or it will try to form a support, a steady line at around this level, 237. Maybe even it will go below 237 a little bit, like 236.95, and then it will try to form a line of support. There, that's my opinion. But it can also lose this support of 236 or 237 and fall below 237. So end of the day, it might close below 235, and that will be, in my opinion, dangerous. Not really dangerous, but in that case, there is a possibility it will fall further for the next couple of days. So that is the question. That is a very good question. Will it fall below 235 and close the day below 235? In that case, market not going to turn bull again very soon. So let's see. But I also expect here it might form a support line, straight line, possibly. So let's see. So at this point, what I see, my only focus right now is this green candle, and it's let's see the volume. Volume is not too good, not good at all. 49K only. But see all these small red, dodgy, red, and it's all this candle have one thing in common almost. All this candle is trying to push the market up. At least they're trying. It seems on their effort is quite visible, quite apparent, that they're at least trying. And eventually they actually formed a green candle. It's not really bad. In this situation, for example, when the market is going up, 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 all of a sudden a red candle it signifies that there is a possibility market will reverse when there is a bull market. The same thing happens when this kind of candle, this kind of thing happens in a bear market as well. The market is coming down clearly, down, 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 down. But all of a sudden, one candle is trying to move up. There are few buyers there clearly, and the next one actually become green. So that actually signifies at least something. At least it's trying to say that it's trying. Maybe eventually it will fail, but at least it's trying. So I'm not sure. It's at this point, it's not really easy to go up all of a sudden, but at least it can possibly create a support at this level, 237.56. It didn't go below 237, but it's also possible that it will come around this level, like 236.93. Yeah, this level, 236.99. Maybe even 236.50 or 236.70, then it will clearly reverse, or it will form a support, and the next day, tomorrow, might be going up. So this is what exactly I like about the stock market. It always bounces back, or it at least try to bounce back. What I mean is, let me share the screen. What I was saying before at around 12 o'clock, that there is a green candle. It's not that strong, but actually it was showing that it's trying its best to reject to go down. At this point, I'm not sure that market will go up, but at least see this one green candle, then try to come down. It failed to come down. It actually went almost to the mid of this green candle, then it went up. Okay, another green candle. So at least it's trying its best. What I was expecting, end of the day, there will be a line here. It should be a consolidation or maybe form the support. If it doesn't go that way, if it keep going down and down, maybe it will fall below 236. But I don't really think that way. I don't want to think that way. I think it will form a support here. So here is the interesting thing. As I mentioned, I was hoping that there will be a clear line here. I'm not sharing my screen, I guess. Okay, let me share my screen. Sorry about that. I was expecting a clear support line or a consolidation at around this line, 238 or 237. The market actually went up. It will clearly touch the VWAP line now. But also another important thing is this big red candle. How much sell here? Something like 434. Sorry. 300,000 volume. So it's huge sell-off, right? It clearly came down below 239, right? And after this, it took so many small candles to cover this huge red. It covered, but it took so many green candles, right? It's a good point. So it's not going to be so easy to go up at this point. I think there will be a clear rejection at this point of 240. At around this VWAP line, there will be a clear rejection and the market will again come down. But the good thing is, I think eventually, end of the day, there it will form like, where is my magic stick. End of the day, I expect something like this. It will come down again, it will try to go up, come down, straight line, and eventually end of the day it will form something like this, like 240, directing upward or pointing upward. That's what I expect at the end of the day. So I will end this for today. So tomorrow, I don't know, it should open above 240. 240. That's what I expect. I'm not an astrologer, I'm not a magician, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would expect opening tomorrow above 240. Take care, everyone.